time wasted.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Velma I. I am a makeup artist. I am also a lash technician and a nail artist, certified lash extension tech. And today I wanted to film a fall makeup look for you guys. So this is the look that I came out with. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Go ahead and thumbs up the video if you do like it. Also, do not forget to subscribe. Hit the little notification bell so that it notifies you every time that I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the tutorial. Alright, today to start off the look, I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild Matte Primer. And I'm just going to be applying this all over the face. Alright, so for foundation, I go in with two of the L'Oreal True Match foundations. I go in with shade W2 and a mixture of W4, and I just mix the two and it is my shade. Alright, so I like to take my L'Oreal sponge. It is amazing. It's like closest to the beauty blender as you can get. And then just dab it in, blend it all out. See, I have been busy working. I have two jobs, so that's pretty much the only thing that stops me from making videos. I mean, making videos is everything to me. It really soothes my anxiety. It used to, you know, it used to just be a big part of my life, and I honestly miss it every single day. Please excuse the alarm that's it's running out of batteries, and I just haven't changed it, to be honest. But yeah, I've just been busy doing life, working. I work, like I said, two jobs. I have my own business. I really am interested in doing business videos, I guess, lash tech videos, and I don't know, if you guys want to hear how I started my business, please leave me recommendations down below, like what you would want to see. If you're a lash tech, if you're an esthetician, if you're a nail technician, like let me know what type of videos, or I don't know, just mainly what you would want to see like in business videos. Let me know if you want to see like a tour from my business. I have so many ideas, and I don't know where to start. So I need you guys' help if you do still watch me. I mean, thank you if you do. I know like I can go months without filming a few videos or any videos, and some of you guys are still here, and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Like, so I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and I'm gonna conceal my under eyes because they're looking a little dark today. They've been looking a little dark, and honestly I haven't been drinking a lot of water, and I used to be like the hugest water drinker. Oh my god, I'm sorry, that's annoying. Take whatever's left over, pop it onto the forehead, sides of the mouth, sometimes down the nose. I do have eyelash extensions on right now, but they're super, like, they need to be filled, and I just got them filled I think like last week, and they're not doing so hot. I don't know what I did this time. I don't know if I've been super rough on them, but they're not doing great. But I don't think I'm going to be applying falsies because I'm a lash tech, and I wouldn't want to have, I hate it when the clients come in and they're wearing lashes and all the glue residue, and it's just a big mess. And so I'm not going to do that to her. I need to go ahead and go in and set with the Coty Airspun. Alright, so we're gonna go into bronzing. Recently I've been doing this, a mixture of Give Me Sun by MAC, and this is the e.l.f. finishing powder in the shade light to medium, which obviously that's not light to medium, but that's what they call it. Now to further contour, I go in with Hoola bronzer. I'm running really low. Like, look at how much pan I've hit. And I just go in with this Wet n Wild brush and just stamp it on. Okay, and then I like to go in with my Luxie 512 small contouring brush, and I just help blend all of this out. Need a little bit warmness. I'm going to go into the Anastasia contour palette and into the shade, whatever this one is here, the darker red. And then next I like to go back in with the Coty Airspun, grab some on my sponge, and clean up my contour. Alright, for blush, I've been really loving MAC Melba. I think this is Melba. No, you know what? Let's check out. Yeah, it's just like a perfect, it's beautiful. I used to hate it. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to stick this to the higher part of my cheek. I've recently been like dragging it all the way down, and I just kind of wanted to try this. So let's try keeping it up here. Try keeping it here, even in the center of my nose. To dust underneath my eyes, I go in with the Luxie 640, and it's like a really soft brush. Just dust away lightly. Going with Laura Geller. This is the Gilded Honey, and we're gonna use this. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the tip of my nose, and then I'm gonna drag it down the nose a little bit. I like to highlight, like that is my jam. I like to go heavy, so just gonna highlight up here. Oh yeah. And I'm actually gonna do above the lip. I have not done that in forever, but we're gonna try it. Go in and set everything with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I feel like I just moving into brows. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Dip Brow. It's something I never change. I always go in with dark brown, so I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this part so that you're not sitting around waiting.
Was not ready to falling like I'm wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing and keep your words naked. You got me blushing. And you forever I'll follow. You be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow. In immortality, I can see you and me.
Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to go in and prime with the Age Rewind. This is the best eyelid primer. I used to use MAC Give Me Sun only, like religiously, and honestly this took the place really fast. It hides all your veins. It just gives your eyes a nice palette. Creamier, the MAC Soft Ochre was very drying. So even though it looked really pretty, it just was really drying. Just taking a little translucent powder, setting the eyes. Alright, today going in with the Modern Renaissance palette. I love the colors in here. The Anastasia palette. Really pretty, so we're going to make a look out of this palette. And for the crease, I'm going to go in with Burnt Orange. We're going to go ahead and throw this into the crease. Going in with Realgar, I don't know. And I'm just gonna go in with this e.l.f. blending brush. I'm gonna go into the crease again, but just keeping it more into the crease. Going into Love Letter. It's like a hot pink. I'm going to take a little bit of that. And now I'm going to go in with Primavera. It's like a gold shade. I'm going to stick this right onto the lid in the middle. So for underneath the eye, what I like to do is kind of recreate the top. Whatever I cut on the top, I go into the lower lash line and do the same. So I'm just going to smoke it out. Going on with burnt orange. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my NYX Wonder Pencil and I'm going to go underneath the lash line, the lower waterline. Do a little bit of eyeliner. I'm just going to go in with the $1 e.l.f. liquid liner. We're going to try to just make this work.
I'm wasted, my heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing and keep your words naked. You got me blushing. And you forever I'll follow. You be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow.
Pretty crazy. It just really helps the fact that my lash extensions don't look great. And I'm going to go in with the lower lash line and I'm going to add the Mega Plus Volume Mascara by Maybelline. For lips, I'm going to go in with Stone by MAC. So there you go, that completes today's look. This is what I came out with. I really like it. It's very fall, winter. I really like it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up so that I can film more videos like this. I really miss filming videos, makeup tutorials in general. Let me know what type of videos you want to see. If you want to, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.